The United States confirmed 5,189 monkeypox cases as of July 29th. This is the world's highest tally. Health experts said that given the testing bottlenecks in the country, monkeypox cases are likely being undercounted. San Francisco became the first major U.S. city on July 28th to declare a local health emergency on monkeypox. Its demand for the vaccine is high, and the declaration effects on August 1st. On July 29th, New York State declared a disaster emergency due to its growing monkeypox cases. More than 1 in 4 monkeypox cases in this country are in New York State, and we need to utilize every tool in our arsenal as we respond, said the governor. On July 30th, New York City declared a public health emergency due to the monkeypox outbreak. New York City is currently the epicenter of the outbreak, and we estimate that approximately 150,000 New Yorkers may currently be at risk for monkeypox exposure, said the statement issued by the mayor. The federal government is continuing to monitor the response to monkeypox and will use that to consider whether to declare the outbreak a public health emergency. Bottom line is, we need to stay ahead of it and be able to end this outbreak, said the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The Washington Post reported that a shortfall of vaccine doses could threaten the nation's ability to contain the expanding outbreak. The United States is entering a critical 3-month period where cases may continue to multiply, but no more vaccines are scheduled to arrive until October at the earliest.